This short video will introduce you to the Tork Xpressnap Signature Tabletop Dispenser. We will review opening the dispenser, filling the dispenser with Tork Xpressnap napkins, loading the at-a-glance, and cleaning. First, let's open the dispenser. While holding the dispenser firmly in one hand, place your other hand on top of the dispenser over the lid. Position your thumb under the small plastic lip on the front of the dispenser as seen here. Slightly squeeze the front and back of the lid at the same time, pressing your thumb in under the lip. As you squeeze, the latches on the side will release. Pull up on the lid to open. Please note that the latches on the side of the dispenser are not to be used as buttons to open the dispenser. They are designed to secure the lid to the base, but should not be used for opening. Now let's fill the dispenser with Tork Xpressnap napkins. With the lid open, place up to 250 napkins on the spring-loaded tray. To easily count 250 napkins, take half a sleeve of Xpressnap napkins, as each sleeve holds 500. Press the napkins down until the top of the stack is sitting below the top of the base of the dispenser. To ensure proper dispensing, do not fill above the refill line indicator, which is located inside the dispenser on both sides. Once the napkins are loaded, simply close the lid. Start the first napkin by reaching into the mouth of the dispenser with your thumb and finger and pull the napkin through. You're ready to go. The at-a-glance feature turns your dispenser into a marketing tool to help you boost your business. To load your own customized at-a-glance, open the dispenser and slide your insert in front of the stock at-a-glance that's already there. Don't discard the stock at-a-glance. The at-a-glance is a great way to showcase your business by telling your story or promoting your featured items. Additionally, the at-a-glance can support your business by making you money. Sell the advertising space to local businesses or support local nonprofit organizations by donating the space to them. For more information on creating your own at-a-glance inserts, visit www.torkusa.com/at-a-glance. To clean your Xpressnap dispenser, simply wipe with soap and warm water. Use mild cleansers as abrasives might harm the surface. The dispenser lid can also be easily removed for cleaning if needed, but please note that the dispenser should not be placed in a dishwasher.